Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, mensuration. Children, in this chapter we will study about the perimeter and area of the different geometrical shapes. See some examples. This is a triangle, children. Triangle having the sides A, B and C. So children, perimeter means sum of the length of its sides. Here one side is A, another side is B and third side is C. So its perimeter will be A plus B plus C. Sum of the sides. Understood? Now, second, suppose this is the triangle in which H is the height of the triangle and the side on which this perpendicular is drawn is the base. So here base is B, H is the height, then area of the triangle will be 1 by 2 into base into height. This is the area of a triangle. Now if you are taking a rectangle, so children, we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So here perimeter will be 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. So there is a formula, perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth, and area of the rectangle will be length into breadth. Okay. Now if we take a square, so children, we know that in a square all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So here, since all the sides are equal, its perimeter will be 4 times the side of a square. 4 times the side of the square. If the side of a square is A, then perimeter will be 4 into A. And area of the square will be side into side, means side square. That means area of a square is A square, where A is the side of the square. Now if we talk about a rhombus, so children, rhombus has also all the 4 sides equal, but here no angle is 90 degree. In a rhombus, opposite angles are equal and all sides are equal. So again its perimeter will be 4 into side. If we consider the side A, then perimeter will be 4 into A. Now suppose that the diagonals of the rhombus are D1 and D2. D2 is this diagonal, D1 is this diagonal, then area of the rhombus will be 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. That means half of product of the diagonals. Now if we talk about a circle, so children, we know that from the center the line joins the circle is called its radius. Okay, so if radius of the circle is R, then perimeter of the circle is called circumference. Perimeter of the circle is termed as circumference. That means perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Otherwise you can say circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and area of the circle is pi r square. So you have to learn these formulae to solve the questions of this chapter. So first note down these formulae. Okay children, now see this question. Mensuration is 23rd chapter. So first exercise of your chapter is here. The first question is, find the perimeter of a triangle ABC having sides of length AB equal to 7 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 8.5 cm. So see children, the question is very easy. You have to find perimeter of triangle ABC, which will be equal to AB plus BC plus AC, because the sum of the sides of a triangle is equal to perimeter of the triangle. So all the 3 sides length will be added and then we will get the perimeter. AC is 7 cm, BC is 5 cm and AC is 8.5 cm. Now add all these. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 8, 20.5. So 20.5 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle. See the second part of the question. Find the perimeter of a rectangle of length 12 centimeter and breadth 7.5 centimeter. Children, you can see that length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7.5 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle will be equal to, we know the formula, 2 times length plus breadth. Now put the value and calculate it. 2 into 12 plus 7.5 centimeter. When you solve this one, see here, 2 into 12 plus 7 means 19.5, and by multiplying these two, 19 to 38 plus 1, 39. 39 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. Formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 7.5 centimeter. By adding these two, we are getting 19.5. So 19.5 is multiplied by 2. So we are getting 39. So 39 centimeter is the length of our perimeter of the rectangle. See the third part. Find the perimeter of a square having each side of length 4.5 centimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of a square? Is equal to 4 into side. So here 4 into 4.5 centimeter. Now multiply and get your answer. 4 into 4.5 is 18. 18 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. Now see the last part of the question. Find the perimeter of a rhombus having each side of length 6.3 centimeter. Again, there is the work of formula only. If you have learned the formula, then question will become easy. Perimeter of a rhombus is also equal to 4 into side. That means 4 into 6.3 centimeter. 4 into 3, 12, 1 carry on. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25. 25.2 centimeter is the perimeter of the rhombus. Learn the formula and make your questions easy. Now note down these. Okay, now see some more questions. The question number 2 is, a rectangular field has perimeter 186 meter and breadth 35 meter. Find its length. See how to do it. Let the length be L meter. Suppose that length is L meter. In your question, perimeter is given 186 meter, and we know that perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. That means 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 186 meter. In your question, breadth is equal to 35 meter. This is given. Now put the value here and solve it. This 2 can be transferred here to make our calculation easy. Length plus breadth is equal to 2 will divide 186, then you will get 93. 2 dividing 18 by 9 times, 2 dividing 6 by 3 times. That means length plus breadth is equal to 93. Now put the value of breadth. Length plus breadth is 35 meter is equal to 93 meter. Therefore length will be 93 minus 35 meter. Now subtract and get your answer. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. That means 58 meter is the length. So length of the field is equal to 58 meter, and this will be your answer. So you can see that just the formula is used here. If you have learned the formula, then practice it how to use. Length the question is asking, so we have supposed length L, breadth is 35 meter given in the question. Since perimeter is at 186 meter, this is also given, so we know that perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter given means 2 into length plus breadth value is given. Now by solving it, we will find the value of L. And how to solve? This 2 is transferred right hand side, so 186 is divided by 2, so we are getting 93. Length plus breadth is equal to 93. Now here we will put the value of breadth. Breadth is 35 meter, means length plus 35 meter is equal to 93 meter. Now 35 has been added here. When it will be transferred right hand side, it will be subtracted from the right hand side. Means 93 minus 95, that is 58. So length of the field is 58 meter. Now see question number 3. Find the length of each side of a square plot having perimeter 172 meter. See again. Let each side of a square be x meter. Okay, now again, since perimeter is equal to 172 meter, since perimeter is 172, it means 4 into x is 172, because this is the formula for perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So perimeter is 172, means 4 into side is equal to 172. Now transfer for that side, you will get the value of x. X is equal to 172 by 4. Because 4 is multiplied with x. So when 4 is transferred, right hand side will be divided by 4. Now divide and get your answer. 4 into 4 16, 1 remainder, 4 into 3 12. X is equal to 43 meter. That means each side of the square is equal to 43 meter. This is your answer. Okay. Now see the fourth question. A rectangular plot of length 125 meter. Length is given 125 meter and 72 meter broad, means breadth is 72 meter. Then question is asking, find the cost of fencing. Children, do you know what is the meaning of fencing? Fencing means boundary. There is a rectangular plot which boundary length cost is asking. Find the cost of fencing at 27 rupees per meter. So first we will find the length of the fence. And length of the fence will be equal to perimeter of the rectangular plot. Since length of fence is equal to perimeter of rectangular plot, and we know the formula for rectangle perimeter, 2 into length plus breadth. Now put the value. Length is 125, breadth is 72 meter. That means 2 into 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, and then 1. 1 into 2 into 197. By multiplying, 2 into 7 14, 1 carry on, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry on, 2 1s are 2 1 plus 3. 394 meter is the length of the fence. Is this understood? Only this is the This is the point which you have to understand. This is the concept actually. Length of the fence is equal to perimeter of rectangular plot, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. By putting the value of length and breadth, we have got the length of fence. Now we can find the cost of fencing. Therefore, cost of fencing will be 27 rupees is the cost of 1 meter. So what will be the cost of 394 meter? This 394 will be multiplied by rupees 27. Now multiply and get your answer. 394 is multiplied by 27. 7 into 4, 28, 2. See this one? Okay, by multiplying you are getting 10,638 rupees. Understood? You will multiply and you will check the calculation also. Okay, now note down these questions. Okay children, now see question number 5. Find the circumference of a circle of radius 17.5 centimeter. See children, here radius r is given 17.5 centimeter. Therefore, what will be the circumference? We know the formula for circumference. 2 into pi into r. The value of pi is 22 by 7. It is given in the question also, but either it is given or not, you have to learn it. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 17.5 centimeter. Now you can see that 7 is dividing 17.5 by 2.5 times. 7 to the 14, 3 remainder, 3.5. So 7 into 4.5 is 3.5. Okay. Now multiply it. 2.5 is multiplied by 2 becomes 5. 5 into 22 is 110. That means circumference of the circle is 110 meter. Now see the last question of the day. The circumference of a circular garden is 66 meter. Find its diameter. So see children how to solve. Suppose that the radius of the circular garden be r meter. Suppose that radius is r meter. So here it is given that circumference is 66. Circumference is 66 meter. It means 2 pi r is equal to 66 meter, because this is the formula for circumference. Now put the value of pi. 22 by 7 into r is equal to 66 meter. Now r is equal to 66 into 7 upon 22 into 2 by cross multiplication. 7 will be multiplied with 66. 2 and 22 will become the denominator. Now 22 dividing 6 by 3 times, 2 dividing 3 by 1.5 times. So radius is equal to 1.5 into 7 means 10.5 meter. This is the radius and question is asking diameter. So children, diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times radius means 2 into 10.5. That means 21 meter is the diameter of the circular garden. Okay. See, one more method is there children. We know that 2 pi r is the circumference. In the question, circumference is 66 meter, means 2 pi r is 66 meter. Children, we know that diameter is 2 times r. 2 times radius is the diameter. So here you can see that pi into diameter is equal to 66 meter. This is also a formula for circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is equal to pi into diameter. So by putting the value of pi, you can find the diameter. So diameter is equal to 66 into 7 upon 22. 22 will divide 66 by 3 times, and 3 into 27 is 21. That means 21 meter is the diameter of the circle. You can do this question directly also. In this method, first you have found the radius, then you are finding the diameter, but you can find the diameter directly also. Okay, for today only this much. On the next turn we will bring some more questions. Okay, bye bye.